start yet. Okay, now start. It's recording.
No!
Are you like retarded or something?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Teach me how to scream. Teach me how to scream.
Bree, take them off your ears.
Teach me how to scream.
Got two bad bitches from Tokyo. Bree, do your chick in the bread dance.
The crunk?
Yeah, I thought it was crumping.
That's the crump.
Oh god, that was cringe.
Teach me how to scream. 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 Teach me how to scream.
Maybe we should go to the garage and you should break dance.
Teach me how to scream. What?
Maybe we should go to the garage and you can break dance on a little piece of cardboard in there.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
What's out there?
Get over it, Wim.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot this is still recording. Whoopsie.